The 9-axis Swiss-type CNC lathe has 3 independent channels. Each channel can operate independently. They can also operate in mutual coordination and interpolation. Let's take a look together. What are the advantages of a 9-axis, 3-channel Swiss-type CNC lathe? Simultaneous machining of outer diameter on dual x-axis of the main spindle. Double x-axis, simultaneous machining of outer diameter. It can greatly increase the cutting volume per unit time. Comparison between bilateral and unilateral tool feeding. Offsetable tool feed. Stress deformation of materials. Improve machining accuracy and efficiency. Double X misalignment turning of steps on the main spindle. Machining OD of the X1. Adjust the tool position of the third channel through the Z3. In order to achieve the effective X1 and X3 misalignment machining of steps. X1 machining, arc X3 machining groove. Perform linkage interpolation through Z3 and Z1. Ensure the X3 machining slot is not affected by the movement of the Z1. X1 turning OD/Z3 axis end face drilling. This processing method also through the third channel. Perform linkage interpolation between Z3 and Z1 /. Realize machining OD of the first channel. End face drilling of the third channel. Milling flat positions on both sides simultaneously / dual channels, milling flat positions simultaneously. Suitable for various symmetrical milling processes. Reduce the number of milling times. Comparison between simultaneous cutting on both sides and unilateral cutting. Offsetable tool feed. Force-induced deformation of materials. Improve machining accuracy and efficiency. Ball head tool for milling double start threads. As well as side edge of milling tool process the flat position of the spiral. The first method involves simultaneous and symmetrical tool feed along the X1 and X3. Use the end edge of the ball end milling tool. Coordinate the feeding of the Z1 and the rotation of the C1. Finish machining. The second method involves simultaneous and symmetrical tool feed along the Y1 and Y3. Utilize the side edge of the milling cutter. Coordinate the feeding of the Z1 and rotation of the C1. Complete processing. Both modes adopt bilateral symmetrical feed. Offset the force-induced deformation of the material caused by the tool's feed. Improve processing accuracy and efficiency. Misaligned drilling and misaligned tapping. Adopt the same process as the tapping. Control the position of the third channel through Z3. Implement misaligned feed of X1 and X3. Reduce processing steps. Improve processing efficiency. Y2 of 9-axis machine. Adopting the patented S-series knife holder structure of Jenka. The Y2 tool post of the conventional Swiss-type machine only has 8 axial tools. The Jenka series Y2 tool post has 2 12x12 turning tools, 3 ER16 axial power head, 4 ER16 axial fixed tool shank, 4 ER16 mirror image power heads. At the same time, it can also be customized according to the requirements of product requirements. Adopt modularization to expand various functional tool holders. S-series structural tool post. Enhanced machining capability of the sub-spindle. The process that originally relied on the main spindle tool post can be transferred to the auxiliary spindle for completion. Reduce the machining tasks of the main spindle. Optimize the process allocation between the main spindle and sub-spindle. Improve the overall processing efficiency of the product. If you want to see more 3-channel linkage compound machining, please leave a message about your process plan.